Hi guys, it's me again, Nurse Anthony. So I'm here in Katara.
Strawberry skies. Butterflies inside. Monday morning like a 1, 2, 3. Saw you laughing, didn't notice me. Your blue sweater, messy golden hair. I just froze, I forgot how to breathe. Math class doodles hearts on my page. Wrote your name in a secret code language. Every glance feels like a sweet escape. Hope this daydream never fades away. Is it magic? Maybe it's true. When you smile, my whole world turns pink and blue. Strawberry skies, candy hearts.
So it's cold right now. Hi guys, I'm here in Katara. I'm here in the highest park. And it's very cold right now. Mamaya, I'm going up there. Ayan. I'm searching for the man-made river here na matagal ko na siyang gustong puntahan. It's very cold right now. Ang lamig-lamig guys, my gosh. I think para kang nasa loob ng refrigerator or even freezer. And it's foggy, like, see? It's misty. There's stairs going there. I don't know where it's going. Pero ang hinahanap ko kasi dito is yung man-made river, which I think nandito sa dulo. So let's go and find it. Got the forest there. Who have said Qatar has no trees? This is what I'm looking for. My God, guys, the man-made river. Wow. Yan siya. Wala namang crocodile dito, so okay lang. Ayan, it's very nice. And susundan natin yan. Yung pinakababa na niya. And aakit tayo dyan. Susundan natin siya. Saan papunta yan? See guys, look at the view. I'm at the top of the hill. Yan. This is the place. Look at the trees. Ito hanggang dun pa pagbaba. See. Sarap maglakad, grabe. One of the icons here in Doha. That's the Doha Tower, one of the historical sites here. So steep slope, sabi. Gusto mo maglakad dyan, hindi magpaligid ka dyan. So puntahan natin yung may stairs kanina. Kung anong meron doon. Puntahan natin yung lugar na yon. Let's try to go up there. Bakit tayo? In this place. Let's see anong meron. So ito yung river guys. Artificial river. Wow. So akit ako uli kasi hindi muna tayo uuwi. We'll be staying here. Last time I went to Lusail. Then gusto ko naman ng something nature. Kasi nature is very relaxing. Alam mo naman na pagod tayo. So kailangan natin ng sound ng mga trees. Ayan. Ito mga trees natin. Ayan oh, ang ganda. So, maganda maglakad dito guys. And at my back, it's Katara.